Hi there and welcome to my Ivan's vlog Everything About Balls. In this episode I'm gonna do an unboxing of my new daylight set from Bresser. As you might have noticed, the lighting in my previous videos was not optimal, so it was time for a change. Yes, it was time to do something about my lighting in my studio. I always had too much light in the back because of my PC monitors and no key light at all. Yeah, maybe just a small LED light that was blinding my eyes, so also not a good solution, I'm afraid. So that's why I decided to buy a daylight solution that was not too expensive and still very usable. I looked online and found a lot of interesting daylight sets, but this one just popped out. It was only €130, around $140 US, so perfect on budget. I have chosen the Bresser BR-2246B Daylight Set. It consists of 2 softboxes with 5 lights each and 2 tripods. The white balance is around 5500 Kelvin, so absolutely perfect for recording video with true whites and of course also perfect color reproduction. For the moment I only use one softbox on this side because I don't have the space yet to use the 2, but maybe in the very near future I will find a solution for this, let's hope. The lights get a bit warm but still manageable, it's not too hot even when you are sitting right in front of it. For the moment I'm also using my LED light as a fill light to light the left side of my face a little bit. And I think now it's time to do the unboxing itself. As you can see, it came in a cardboard box and fortunately it didn't weigh too much. On the outside you can clearly see Bresser BR-2246B and it weighs almost 9 kilograms. I start to open the packaging and cut through the tape with my scissors. I was surprised that when I opened the box there was still another box inside it. It took a bit of effort to get it out of the box because it was a tight fit. On the inner box you can clearly see Bresser Photo Studio equipment and also a bit of German text, Photo Studio Tageslicht Set, which means Photo Studio Daylight Set. When this box was opened, I saw a black bag inside it. It took also a bit of effort to take it out. On the black bag you can also see clearly Bresser written on it. When I opened the bag I saw 2 small plastic bags. These contain the softboxes themselves. Then also 2 square boxes which contain the light fixtures. Then 10 smaller boxes with the lights themselves. Also 2 small cardboard boxes which contains the tripods. And as you can see, there is also a warranty paper with a bit of explaining how to properly set up the tripods. And then I start to open up everything, and first of all I take the tripods out. After that I open the boxes with the light fixtures in them. They are made from plastic. I expected that it was metal, so I was a bit surprised. Then I opened the smaller plastic bags and took the soft boxes out. There were also 4 metal sticks to mount the soft boxes to the light fixtures. And at last I opened up the boxes containing the lights. Unfortunately, I don't have video of me installing it in my studio, because it took a lot of effort to move some stuff in my studio, and then you could have seen the mess. And as you can see, this is the result for now. Better lighting than before, and also a big improvement to say the least. If you want to buy a daylight set for yourself, don't hesitate. It is the perfect solution for lighting a video. Just search on the internet and also read the reviews before you buy something. That's also what I did. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to receive notifications. If you have a question, just put it in the comments down below and I will respond as fast as possible. And see you next time. Bye!